Hey Sigrid, so sorry about the problems that we're having on Etsy, but I think this might be easier. So this is the design that you were interested in for your cabochon, and I think it would work great. This is another variation of the same design. The top is a little different, and then you can see that I twisted those wires that are going across the front of the stone. So that would work. And then if you wanted to do something a little different, if you wanted some wire weaving, this is a relatively easy-ish design that would work pretty good for your pendant. That one's not finished yet in the video, so I'm going to show you in the next little clip. It's this was for a customer, so that's what it would look like, patina and polished. But I guess I just remembered now that we're going to do it with the brass wire instead. Which we could patina and polish it as well. So this one I mixed wires. I did copper and brass. This is probably, I think, one of my most expensive pendants in my shop. So I think this was about $150. And this is a variation off of that, just a little bit simplified, and it's all copper wire. But both of these designs would work pretty well for your stone. That's what the back side looks like, just a little simpler than the other one, not quite as time consuming, and you know, these two designs are pretty improvisational. You know, the front part obviously is more uniform, and then the back I just kind of improvise. Yeah, and then this is another design that could work for your stone. It's a little bit of a trickier one. It works a little better if the sides are very rounded and sloped as opposed to kind of abrupt. This stone was abrupt, and so it was a little bit of a battle, but it might work. Yeah, so then I sent you some photographs of some other designs via email. I'm hoping that they came through. Let me know if they didn't. Okay, thanks for watching.